Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this simplistic chatbot for any of the large language models. So you can see it is something like the ChatGPT. Well, not good enough, but maybe fulfilling the purposes. So you can choose any of the large language models, open source ones, which you can run on your local. In my previous video I have shown you how you can run them on your local machine, and with this interface you can now chat with these open source large language models very easily and comfortably. So let's see, have a query over here. As you can see, it is giving the output in a very chat format. So let's see how you can build it and execute it on your local machine. But before that, please, if you like the content of these videos and my previous videos, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go deeper. So to establish this thing, you need basically two simple scripts. One, I have shown in my previous videos that how you can execute the large language models with the libraries like LangChain and C transformer. So these with these you can load any of the open source large language models on your local machine, which is probably supported by your RAM on the machine. Say the 7 billion models are likely to be the ones that you will be able to run. So I am using over here Mistral 7B, and after that all that I have made change from my previous videos script is to put the response from the query into a response variable and have it in a function. Why did I do that? So to create the interface, you don't need any HTML or CSS. There is a framework, web UI framework from Python, that is streamlit. So using streamlit we can create a web interface for many of our Python projects. So over here what we are doing is we are initializing an session state, and then over here there are a few elements like chat message and chat input with which we can create the interface. So you don't have to worry about if you are not very much aware of streamlit, then you will have this code uploaded in Github from where you can download and have it executed on your local machine. So over here what we are doing is we are putting the history of the chat messages that we are continuously querying with the model into one of these variables, that is messages, and we are identifying the message from the assistants as well as from the user by this user or the role variable, or rather the tag. So after that it is all taken care by streamlit to put the things into the order. So we just have to this is the input where we are giving the prompts for our large language model, and thereafter the response is appearing in the upper section as we have seen. So after running this, and here is the file for the dependent libraries, which is LangChain and C transformers, as I mentioned earlier, and along with that this time we have streamlit to be installed. So after that it is very easy, we just need to go to the prompt and run our streamlit run ui.py. So that is the command to execute it, and as you can see it is right now running on my local machine. So streamlit, after you install streamlit, which is by pip install only, as you know, so you just have to run it like streamlit run and the ui.py. So in this, if you see, I have basically not imported my script, that is main, which is where the previously shown the large language model execution is happening. So this you can call the engine. So Gen engine is where so my function name is also Gen AI engine. So I am just importing my main script and calling the function Gen AI, and in my response, so over here I am just capturing the response from my Gen AI engine. So now you know why I created this function over here. So once I captured it, I'm just displaying it in the markdown format within the chat message, and that too as a reply from the assistant. So that's it. So with these two simple scripts, you can have a web UI up and running for yourself for any of the chat large language models. So hope you like the content, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.